Good evening, everyone, and welcome to KAO's continuing quality education series of webinars. This series is actually a joint effort by Consortium of Accredited Healthcare Organizations Quality Professionals Wing and the Asian Society for Quality in Healthcare. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank the ASCOA board for their contribution in making this difference together. Each session as a part of each session is a part of these live sessions which are held by experts with extensive domain knowledge and experience, which is followed by the questions and answers where you could ask about the relevant questions that you may want to understand or get a little more details on. These sessions are generally aimed at educating we as the healthcare workers throughout India and elsewhere on the best practices to adopt and implement with the goal of improving patient safety standards and the quality of care that's delivered. Benjamin Franklin once said, without continual growth and progress, such words like improvement, achievement, and success have actually no meaning. And that is our theme for this day today on CQE, continuous quality improvement and audits. So if we talk about this specific session for the next few hours that you're going to be attending, the objective of this session is to highlight the ways and means or the methods by which surveys, reviews, or audits, whatever we term it as, could be conducted. And we really hope that by the end of this set of sessions today, you will understand clearly what surveys or audits are, which are the important ones or the critical ones that we need to be aware of, how to conduct them, what should be an ideal sample size, how should you look at, the analysis, whom should you share this data with, and how do you improve, and, the other basic requirements about these surveys. If you don't ask the right questions, obviously you don't get the right answers. A question asked the right way often points to its own answer. So asking questions is actually the ABC of diagnosis. And generally when, most of us have been a part of some of the other surveys or reviews, and surveys, reviews, or audits are all about that, asking questions, going to the depth of why are we doing this, what are we doing, and what more could help us to improve. Just the last bit from my end without taking much time, I think there have been multiple ancient scriptures and stories that have taught us very valuable continuous quality improvement lessons as well. And one of them was during the Mahabharata, when the army had to be chosen. So Pandavas chose Lord Krishna to fight with them in the battle, while Kauravas, they chose the huge army of Krishna to support them because they thought that, they can win if they have more people on the ground. And in spite of the large army, actually, they lost the battle, proving that, any success is not dependent on the number of resources, but it's actually dependent on the quality of resources, which would ultimately affect the outcome that we are looking at. Hence, without taking much time, I would like to welcome you all to this session today.